In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Telegram files, images, or downloads on your Android smartphone when you connect it on your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect your smartphone on your computer and then select the file transfer option and then go to this PC. And from this PC, you should see your smartphone reading on your computer. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone that is Redmi Note 10, and that's what I'll use for this demonstration. So from here, go ahead and double click on your smartphone to open it, and then all the storage that you have will appear here. So if you have both an internal and external storage, it will appear here. Now, depending on the storage type that you use as default, go ahead and double click on it to open. So I'll double click on internal to open because I only have one. Now from here, look for an option called Android. This is an Android tutorial, and therefore you should see a folder called Android. Double click on it to open. Then from here, go and look for a folder called Media. Double click on it, and then it will open. Now from here, you'll have quite a number of folders that you'll be able to see. Then go ahead and look for a folder written on .org.telegram.messenger and double click on it to open. And then double click on this Telegram. And here now, depending on what you want to see that you had downloaded on your Telegram, you'll find here all the Telegram images that you had downloaded, and here all the Telegram videos that you had downloaded. So if I go to my file, you'll find currently I don't have any, but if you had downloaded images from Telegram, you'll find them here. Likewise, the videos that you had downloaded, you'll find them under Telegram video folder. So that's how you find all your images and videos that you downloaded from Telegram using your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.